9,018 times 6 using the area model. Our 6 will go on the side, and then we're going to write 9,018 in expanded form. That would be 9,000 plus 0 plus 10 plus 8. Then we're going to multiply length times width. So let's take those first numbers down. Add our side number over into each box. Then we know we're going to multiply. 9 times 6 is 54, plus 3 more zeros. 0 times 6 is 0, because anything times 0 will always be 0. 10 times 6 is 60. 8 times 6 is 48. Then let's take those numbers and stack them, lining up our place values so that we can add them together. That gives us a total of 54,108.